Hey there, hey my lovely fashion lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Afoma, and today we are diving into something super exciting. Yeah, super exciting for me because this also resonates with me a lot. And it's titled How to Start a Fashion Brand with Little to No Capital. That's right, no big budget needed. So if you have ever dreamed of turning your passion for fashion into a business, but thought you needed a ton of money to get started, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. First thing first, which is our first tip, is the power of solid concept. Yes, you need a strong concept. This is what makes your brand stand out. Whether you are into streetwear, boho, or high fashion, your concept should reflect your style and resonate with a specific audience. And here is the best part. You don't need a huge capital to develop a killer concept. It is all about knowing your target market and what they are looking for. Think about it. When I started my fashion brand, I focused on something I loved, African-inspired fabrics, and I worked on building a brand that combines global appeal with unique designs. Your fabrics and concepts could be anything from eco-friendly fashion to trendy casual wears. Yes, just make sure it is authentic to who you are. Tip 2. Design your first collection with minimal investment. Yes. I know what you're thinking. I don't have thousands of dollars for a fancy design or studio. No worries. You can start small, right from your home using online tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. These tools offer templates that make designing easy, even for beginners. Plus, if you have a bit of design or a knowledge, you can create your own pattern and sketches for free. Here is another tip. If you can't afford fabric just yet, start by creating digital designs and mock-ups. Yes, share them on social media to test your audience interest before investing in production. We have seen so many designers who start with just a few designs, with just few digital designs. And when people love them, that's when they take the leap into actual production. Tip number 3, sourcing materials without breaking the bank. Okay, let's talk about sourcing materials. You don't need to buy expensive fabric upfront. The beauty of the internet is that you can find budget-friendly fabric suppliers, wholesalers, or even second-hand materials to use in your designs. Check out local markets, online fabric stores, or even vintage clothing shops. You'll be surprised at what you can find at a lower cost. And here is a pro tip. If you have a small budget, consider working with local seamstresses or small production units who may offer lower production costs as opposed to big factories. This allows you to start small and keep things affordable. Tip number 4, building your brand without a budget. Yes, let's talk about branding. A strong brand is key. The first part is you don't need a huge budget to create one. Start with a memorable logo, a catchy brand name, and a consistent look for trends for social media platforms. You can use free design tools like Canva to create a professional looking logos and social media posts. Once your brand is set up, you can use platforms like Pinterest or even TikTok to showcase your designs, including Instagram. Yes, these platforms are free and offer amazing opportunities to engage with hard potential customers. Consistency is the key. Post regularly, and remember, keep the journey and don't be afraid to show behind the scene content. People love to see how concept grow from ground up. Tip 5 is growing your brand through networking. Networking is another powerful tool when starting on a budget. Yes, find ways to connect with other creators, designers, and influencers who might be willing to collaborate or share your work. Influencer marketing doesn't always have to be expensive. You can start by reaching out to micro influencers who have a smaller but dedicated following. Their rates are usually more affordable, and the exposure you get can help you grow your brand. Also attend local events, fashion meetups, or online communities to connect with like-minded individuals. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth and a solid network. My last tip, but not the least, for today is keep learning and growing. Yes, never stop learning. There are so many free resources online, from YouTube tutorials to business blogs and online courses that can teach you everything from digital marketing to how to scale up your fashion business. The more knowledge you gain, the more confidence you will feel in growing your brand. Yes, starting a fashion brand today with little capital is totally possible. It is all about being strategic, leveraging free tools and platforms, and staying consistent. Yes, consistency is the key. If you have a passion for fashion, don't let finances hold you back. Start small, dream big, and build your brand one step at a time. So there you have it. My tips on how to start a fashion brand with little to no capital. I hope this video has inspired you to take up that first step towards building your fashion empire. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and leave me a comment below letting me know your fashion dream. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Do take care of yourself. Bye bye.